In this video, I'm going to turn my LilyGO T-Dongle S3 into a ZeroTrace pen testing gadget. Before you get started, make sure you hold down the boot button while you're plugging it in. This will get it ready to flash. First thing you're going to do is go to the dashboard, click on firmware, click over to custom device, and then this one right here, ESP32-S3 N16R2. Okay, we're going to hit flash firmware. We're going to click on what shows up. This should be the T-dongle. Connect. Flash ZeroTrace. Next. Install. Alright, just like that, we're installing it. After you're done with the installation, you got to go to their ZeroTrace store on the website, which I'll leave a link in the description, and you're going to click on the ZeroTrace firmware, the digital version, and you're going to click on purchase. If you're curious on how that looks, go ahead and look at my previous video, but for now, we're going to jump into setting up the device. After you're done buying the firmware, you should get an email saying that you made the purchase, and if you go to the dashboard, log in under your account, you're going to get something that looks like in progress with an activation key. So you're going to go ahead and click on activate. And then what you're going to do is get this set up. So you have to actually do it through the web UI. So we have to connect to this over a Wi-Fi connection. The reason why we can't do it the normal way is because there's only one port on this guy. So the only way to interact with it would be to use the web UI. So stand by. So once you connect to your ZeroTrace, you got to type this into the web browser there, 192.168.4.1/request-license. And once you do that, you will get this, and you're going to cut and paste this and bring it to your dashboard. You're going to go to dashboard, you're going to see all your devices. You're going to click on the one that you purchased. It's going to say activate. You're going to take that code and paste it here. Activate device. All right, and now we just got to wait for ZeroTrace to finish the activation, and once you get that, you'll get a code. They just approved it, so if I refresh this, all right, it says it's ready to go. So now all I got to do is click on it, copy the license key, connect to your ZeroTrace device over a Wi-Fi connection, type in that address. You're going to get greeted with this screen, enter your license key, paste, submit. It says restart your device. You should be ready to go. All right, we actually did it. So we actually installed ZeroTrace onto our T-Dongle S3 from LilyGO. All right, so before we say that it works, let's test it. So we're going to send a payload to this computer. So I already have a script that's preloaded from ZeroTrace. It's just simple to turn off the computer. And as you see, it works. So this was a successful install, an successful test. I think eventually ZeroTrace is going to make it so you can actually do custom screens and change LED colors. But now that we know that the T-Dongle S3 works, I'll talk to them. Only the beginning of ZeroTrace with these new devices, but this is a good discovery, and also great to see that it already works. So this is a fairly cheap device. I think it's under $11, and if you use code GHOSTRATS, you could save 5% on it. So I'll leave all the product links in the descriptions, and remember,
safety is an illusion.